Yes, let's look at this JAMB past question for Physics 2018. Question number 3. Which of the following is true of an electric charge? A. Positive charge means deficit electrons. B. Negative charge means excess electrons. C. Electric current means movement of electrons. D. All of the above. Now, for us to understand this very well, we need to first of all understand what electric charge is, or what current electricity is. Current electricity. Now I'm going to start with this one. Current electricity is simply the flow of electrons or flow of charges. Flow of electrons. And we also know that electrons are charged or charges. They are charged negatively. Now, in an atom we have electrons and we have protons. The electrons are negatively charged and the protons are positively charged. So when you have excess of this electron that is negatively charged, you expect a negative charge. When this one is in excess, there has to be negative charge. Overall charge will be negative. But when these protons that are positive are in excess, then you expect it to be overall positive charge. When this one that is negative is excess, it will be negative. When it is not enough, when it is deficit, it will then be positive. So for this first statement, that positive charge means deficit electron, that is true. When there is less deficit of this electron that is negative, there will be more of this positive charge. So this is true. Then negative charge means excess electron. Of course, that is true. When there is plenty of these electrons that are negative, then it has to be negative charge overall. So this is true. Now electric current is the movement of electrons. From this other definition, this is true. So all of the above should be the general answer that is true. So that makes the answer to the question. So for electric charges, positive charge means deficit electrons, negative charge means excess electrons, electric current means movement of electrons. Then D, all of the above. All of the above is correct because all these three hold true for electric charge. So for electric charge, like I said, the electrons are negatively charged. So when they are in excess, you expect a negative charge. The protons are positively charged. So when the electrons are in excess, you expect a negative charge. When they are deficit, which is opposite of excess, you expect a positive charge. Then electric current is also the movement of electrons. So all these three are correct. So D is the right answer for this. Thank you.